In this evening's health report, one medical expert is warning persons with asthmatic symptoms to stay on maintenance therapy. Shamila Pullen tells us more.
Asthma is a chronic lung disease which affects people of all ages. It is caused by inflammation and muscle tightening around the airways. Consultant pulmonologist Dr. Paul Scott estimates that 15 to 20% of the Jamaican population may have asthma.
Because it's a chronic disease, even at times when you may not actually have a flare-up, we still consider this person as having asthma and certainly still needs to be on treatment. So there are episodes, of course, that may result in flare-ups, especially around seasonal areas, such as the flu season, when there are many respiratory viruses going around. And we basically essentially just come out of a flu season, what I would call the traditional flu season, but we're still seeing quite a few respiratory illnesses that are contributing to exacerbations of asthma in our population.
Symptoms include shortness of breath, difficulty breathing, a dry cough, and wheezing. These symptoms can be mild or severe and can come and go over time.
Some of the common triggers include respiratory infections like viral infections. So certainly if you are an asthmatic and you catch a cold, you have to be careful and of course make sure you're continuing with your asthma treatment, as this could act as a trigger factor. Environmental dust, environmental pollution, and various other chemicals in the environment, even including strong odors, may also contribute to exacerbations of asthma in somebody who has underlying asthma as their primary illness.
There is no cure for asthma, but people with the condition can manage it by doing regular checkups.
We have had asthma deaths, and that has always been a problem. In fact, many of the asthma deaths tend to occur when we looked at it outside of a hospital setting, which gives the impression that either persons are underestimating the severity of their attack, or the attacks that lead to death are coming on fairly rapidly, not giving the person enough time to seek medical help. So the majority of deaths in our population, while we still have asthmatics dying in hospitals, the vast majority of asthmatics die before they can actually get medical care.
With your health report, I'm Shamila Pullen, wishing you good health.